Hi guys, this is Erix, and today in this videos I'm going to share with you one of the techniques to monetize your blog using a sponsored post and how to find a sponsored post for your blog. So first of all, a sponsored post is a similar to a blog post, but a blogger are paid to post uh, content on their blog by marketer or business owner. It is usually to promote certain product or services on their blog, and you can monetize your blog through a sponsored post. And to get a sponsored deal, there is lots of platform, a website you can get a sponsored deal. One of I website I come across is Adsy. Adsy is I think it is not much popular when it comes to a sponsored deal, but they have a very targeted and very good businesses marketer listed their offer on their platform. As a blogger or publisher, you can find a sponsored deal and connect with business, or you can also list your website, and then a marketer will come to contact you with their offer. So only thing you need is a website with content on your website, and website who has higher domain authority. For example, higher domain authority like 15 Moz authority, you are there are chances you will get a sponsored deal. But if you have a higher authority domain more than 50, then you are more likely to get a sponsored deal within months. So this is the very helpful, and if you want to monetize your blog without putting extra time, you will get content, free content from marketer. If not, then marketer will even pay you to write a content about their product services. There is lots of other website you can find a sponsored deal, and one of other website is very similar to this one. It's called buy sell guest spots. You can list your website here also, and marketer will contact you if they find your website interesting enough to post their guest post on your blog. And they usually do this to get bank link and get some visitor to their website. So it is very important, if you are posting a guest post, you should have domain name with higher domain authority. For example, you can see these are the top website. This is the 77 domain authority. So at least you should have like 20 to 30, then you will get a sponsored deal. It is not harder. You just have to list your website and forget about that. If your domain authority increase, then you will start to get marketer to contact you with their offer. So this is not a big deal. I have actually worked with one of marketer to write about their product on my website, and for that I also got those marketer without spending any time. And I just listed my website on Adsy, and one of marketer contacted me for a sponsored deal. So you can list your website and see if your website has higher domain authority, then you will get a sponsored deal. And try to build your domain authority if you don't have. So guys, I hope you like these videos, and if you are interested in posting a sponsored content on your website to monetize your blog, and sign up for this to a sponsored marketplace. You can also find other marketplace to find a sponsored deal. These two are the best I have come across, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.